Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show how to use ChatGPT to learn any skill. Let's say you are a complete beginner and you would like to learn some skill. What you can do is you can use ChatGPT to give your input, and once you give your requirement, ChatGPT is going to give the information that you can use to learn that particular skill. So let's say you are a complete beginner and you are interested to learn, let's say, artificial intelligence. Okay, you are interested to learn artificial intelligence. It could be Citrix administration, it could be VMware administration, it could be database administration, it could be anything. I'm just giving artificial intelligence as an example here. So what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to type a prompt. So you see here it says send a message. Here we are going to type a prompt first. So it is going to be a very simple prompt. I want to learn artificial intelligence skill. I am a complete beginner. Okay, please create a 30-day plan. Let's say 30-day learning plan that will help a beginner like me learn and improve my skill. Okay, it's a simple prompt. So this is called prompt. Okay, this is called the entire this sentence is called prompt. So the prompt is, I want to learn artificial intelligence skill. I'm a complete beginner. Please create a 30-day learning plan that will help a beginner like me learn and improve my skill. So this is a simple prompt. You can use any skill instead of artificial intelligence. You can use VMware administration, Citrix administration, database, uh, whatever it is. Okay, so I'm going to hit enter now. I'm going to hit enter. So let's see how ChatGPT is going to give step by step information of how to accomplish this particular requirement. It's so beautiful, guys. It is giving step by step. So let's go on top first. It says, that's great. Learning artificial intelligence can be a rewarding and exciting journey. Below is a 30-day learning plan designed for a complete beginner like you. The plan includes various resources and activities to help you grasp the fundamentals of AI. So the first day, what you can do is you can watch introductory videos on what artificial intelligence is and its applications. Read articles or blog posts introducing the basics of AI. So this is the task that you can do on first day because you are completely new. On second day, you can explore different types of AI. So there are different types of AI, narrow AI, general AI. Learn about the history and evolution of AI. So it is going step by step, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. So if you see, it gave complete plan until day 17. Because the thing is, right now, ChatGPT 3.5 can give only, limited amount of characters. Okay, it says network error. Let me try once again. Regenerate. Maybe there is some internet issue. That's why, yeah, it stopped for a minute. Okay, it is doing, guys. It is giving complete details. Perfect, guys. If you see now, Day 1, understand what is AI, its applications, and its impact on various industries. Day 2 and day 3, learn the basics of Python programming language, focus on variables, data types, control structures, and functions. Day 4, day 5, get familiar with Python libraries. So, it is giving step by step details of how you can accomplish the task in 30 days. Now, what you can do is, let's say you want to learn Citrix administration, okay, not artificial intelligence. Let's copy this. I'm gonna paste. I'm gonna paste it here. Okay. I'm gonna type, let's say, Citrix administration. Okay, I'm gonna hit enter. Now let's see what is going to happen. It is giving step by step instructions on how you can accomplish this task. Okay, first day, understand what is Citrix and its role in virtualization. Day 2, day 3, learn about different products like virtual apps and desktops, ZenApp and ZenDesktop, Citrix ADC. Day 4, day 5, familiarize yourself with the basic concepts of virtualization, including virtual machines and hypervisors. So it's giving step by step. So if you are completely new to any, to any skill, you can use this prompt and get the details from ChatGPT, and you can learn the skill. You can follow this steps. You can follow this steps to learn any skill. So this is what I wanted to share. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.